More than rice, why Koreans build every meal around a bowl of rice. Many countries eat rice. Koreans build an entire meal around it. In much of the Western world, bread is the foundation of the meal. In Korea, rice serves that role. A Korean meal is traditionally considered incomplete without rice, no matter how elaborate the side dishes may be. Rice is eaten across Asia. Yet in Korea, rice is more than a staple. It is the center of the meal. Just as bread anchors many Western tables, rice anchors Korean cuisine. Remove the rice and many Korean dishes lose their purpose. The first difference begins with the grain itself. Korean rice is short or medium grain, slightly sticky, moist, soft enough to pick up with chopsticks. Unlike fluffy basmati or aromatic jasmine rice, Korean rice is designed to be eaten together with soup, vegetables, and side dishes in every bite. Koreans do not simply cook rice, they prepare it, rinsing rice multiple times, soaking before cooking, measuring water precisely, taking time to cook, resting after cooking. Modern households use rice cookers, shorten time of cooking rice dramatically. A Korean rice cooker is not just an appliance. In many homes, it is the most important machine in the kitchen. To outsiders, Korean rice may appear simple, but there are countless variations. White rice bibimbap, daily standard. Mixed grain rice japgokbap, beans, millet, sorghum, barley. Purple rice hukmibap, black rice mixed with white rice. Barley rice boribap, used to be consumed heavily from spring barley harvest to rice harvest in the fall. People eat more for healthier choice or taste of specialty. More variation can be found as potato rice gamjabap, kabocha rice danhabakbap, and etc. In Korea, rice rarely stands alone. Unlike many Western meals where the protein is the star, in Korea, rice is the anchor. Soup supports the rice. Side dishes complement the rice. The Korean meal is designed as a conversation between rice, soup, and side dishes. Many Korean dishes are intentionally seasoned more strongly because they are meant to be eaten with rice. Taste kimchi alone. Then taste kimchi with rice. Kimchi. Bulgogi. Kimchi jjigae. Doenjangjiki. The dish is no longer the same. Rice softens, balances, and completes the flavor. This is a key point many non-Koreans miss. In Korean, the word bap means cooked rice, but it can also mean a meal itself.
밥 먹었어요?
Have you eaten?
밥 함께 하자.
Let's have a meal together. Rice became so important that the word for rice evolved into the word for food itself. Across Asia, rice feeds billions. But in Korea, rice does something more. It gathers soup, side dishes, family, and tradition into a single meal. A bowl of rice is not beside Korean food. It is the center of Korean food.